Hello, happy Sunday today. Honestly, outside of editing, I really didn't do anything productive. I mean, all I did was play some games and watch YouTube, so yeah, anyways. It's already 10:32, so I'm gonna get to bed. See y'all tomorrow. Hello, happy Monday today. Honestly, not really much happened. I mean, really just spent the day on my computer, that's about it. So, yeah, anyways, it's already 10:38, so I should probably get some sleep. So, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright, hello, happy Tuesday today. I honestly, well, didn't really do much same as yesterday, so yeah. Pretty much just spent all of it on the computer, so yeah, not really very interesting, so yeah. Anyways, tomorrow I've got an appointment, so yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep. It's already 10:50, so yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Hello, happy Wednesday today. I've got an appointment at Mayo, basically just a blood test. Anyways, have to go. Oh, so I will see y'all once I get back. Alright, appointment went well. Honestly, it was pretty quick. It was honestly just in and out. Now, I'm gonna head out for the dog park. So, yeah. I guess I will see y'all soon. We're in. Alright. Come on. Alright. Buddy. Come on. Oh, that guy's loud. Oh, those are pretty close, actually. Charlie's already born. Hello, happy Thursday today. Well, got parkour, which I'm currently packing for, so yeah, anyways. Though, at the dog park last night, oh, speaking of dogs, here's one right now. Anyways, but yeah, like I was saying, when the dogs actually decided that they had a great idea to jump out of their mom's car to head to the park. So, yeah. At least they were safe. Well, as safe as one could be when jumping out of a car window, and albeit a moving car. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna finish getting packed and ready. So yeah, anyways, I will see you once I get to parkour. All right, so. This looks fun, actually. So, anyways, let's figure this out. Anyways, I should probably get started soon. Alright, that was fun. Worked on 360 dive rolls for a while, but it's gonna take a while before I get that, because it looks like I'm gonna need to actually relearn the fundamentals there, because I've put so much time and effort into normal dive rolls that 360 dive rolls are going to take some time to learn. Anyways, guess I will see y'all at home. Hello, happy Friday today. Well, pizza night. Actually, I've got to get started, so yeah, anyways. Fucking down. Shit. God. Huh. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Now, cheese. Meat is done. Now, I will see you once I bring the dough out to get started on the crust. So, yeah, anyways. All right, time to throw these on for the pre-cook. All right, pizzas are assembled and ready to be thrown on the grill to cook. So, yeah, I will see you once they are actually ready to be eaten. So, yeah, anyways, let me cook them. All right, pizza is cooked. Just need to slice it and then actually eat it. So, yeah, anyways, let me go do that and I will see y'all once I actually get started on the rolls. So, yeah, anyways. All right, rolls are assembled and ready to be cooked, so guess I will see you at some point after. Hello, happy Saturday. Today, parkour, and well, after that, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, anyways. I've not actually tried this batch yet. I hope they came out well. Anyways, I'll probably try one, well, once I get back. Anyways. I've got to go soon, so yeah, anyways. See y'all once I get there. Alright, today was fun. Mostly worked on 360 dive rolls. Feel like I'm getting closer here, so let's hope I can get this down soon. Anyways, I guess I will see y'all at home.